Ciao! Today, structures for photovoltaic modules are in high demand. However, the methods today for their production are far from efficient. In fact, today we start from either preformed profiles and we cut them to length, or from sheet metals that are punched and then bent on a press brake. Both of these methods are very inefficient because they require a lot of labor and they waste a ton of material, because cutting the profiles always results in scrap. Our Dallan solution with parametric punching solves all these problems. The production line starts from a coil and punches the strip with holes in the correct positions to aid the assembly. Material utilization is 100%. Unlike the fully perforated profiles, our profiles are the more robust because they only have the necessary holes. And the programming is parametric. This means that you can upload the programs and the job lists directly from your ERP, and you will save even the time for programming this line. The line continues with the Dallan Precision Roll Former. Depending on the profile requirements, we offer lines for up to 2, 3, 4 and 5 mm in thickness. The line forms profiles with even the most complicated shapes, not just the standard C, U and omega profiles. This ensures great stability even with the lower thicknesses. The profiles are cut then in the exact required length. The process is fully automatic. Parts come out of the line and can be marked with inkjet for easy identification for the assembly. For high volumes, we can also add a robot for the palletizing. This innovative and exclusive Dallan solution saves labor, is extremely productive and allows you to save up to 20% of your raw material costs. Contact our engineers at eng@dallan.com for more information. Ciao!